Well, this one will be a short update. We were finally able to get the plumbing taken care of, and we got the sink cabinet in place, and Robert was able to get all of the handle hardware installed on all of the cabinets. I really like this. I like the dark hardware on the white cabinets. I think it looks really nice. We don't have the doors on this cabinet yet because we're waiting to get the sink installed, of course. But all of the hardware looks really nice. We went with pocket pulls on the drawers and handles on the cabinets. I think it's a nice combination, and it looks really good. Now we have ordered our sink. We have not ordered the countertop yet. We have to wait until the sink gets here so that we can give them the measurements of the sink so that they can cut it for us proper. So now we're kind of at a stop and wait point. We won't be ordering countertops until after I get back. I'm sure Robert will hold down the fort while I'm gone. Anyway, I'll be back in a couple weeks with a new update.